Hey there, Beer Tourists! It's me again, JC, and I greatly appreciate for coming back to my channel. So we're here at Corso for us to explore the place. So for you to see the mall here in Southern Cebu, please do stay tuned here in Gear Tours. So guys, I already have the double patty cheeseburger here from Big Daddy, which is located here at Corso. So I really miss eating cheeseburger. See, it's really big where I cannot even fit it inside my mouth. Oh wow. It really is a Big Daddy. So there you go, guys. I hope you did enjoy this quick tour here at Corso. So if you happen to have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. And I'll also put more information about the place in the description box. So I hope you do like, share, and of course subscribe to this channel for you not to miss any videos that I'll upload when it comes to my food trips and travels. Again, this is JC for Gear Tours.